Hi everyone, it's Cherie from 12 by 12 Cardstock Shop. Today we're going to put this lure together. It is from a file called Button Box Fishing from treasureboxdesigns.com. This file goes together very simple, so I will try to get all the colors listed for you guys during the gluing process. I am using Barely Art glue today. It's just in a different bottle. The color in my hand is going to be Powder by American Crafts, and I'm gluing it down to the color Wave by American Crafts. Now I am going to use the pearl for his eye towards the end, and the good thing about this little lure is we could either have one of our characters holding it, or you can increase the size and put it on a card. I'm actually going to put it on a gift card holder. And reason being, Father's Day is coming up. I don't know when the video will be played in queue for my turn with 12 by 12 Cardstock Shop, as we do pre-record our videos. And it might be past Father's Day, but you could use it for just any day or a birthday, just a dad day. And all you have to do is just change the wording on your card. It's completely up to you, and there's a lot of options. And I just want to show you guys, paper piecing isn't just doing one single thing. It can be turned into multiple things and have multiple uses. So his little stripes are going to be in the color Swimming Pool by Encore. I do use Memento inks or Tim Holtz Distress inks. Those are both acid and lignin free, but they're also archival, meaning that they're fade resistant. As you see, he went together very easily. And the option is you can either glue him down to the card or sew him, because they're little buttons and they're absolutely adorable. Here's the beads. I am going to use number 4 for his eye. I did not change much of the size of the lure. I made it 3 inches wide, I should say, because my card is 5 inches wide. And I didn't want it to be too small for the card, and it's actually just big enough to lay over the little note that I made that says to Dad, which you'll see here shortly. So the silver paper, you guys have multiple choices of the really pretty silver paper from 12 by 12 Cardstock Shop. That is where all of my materials come from, because they do deliver right to my door. That is just my husband's casino card, because I haven't been anywhere yet to go get an actual gift card to slide into it. But it's just for my husband. It was something simple. And here I was trying to figure out which way to lay the to Dad sign that I let my cricut pen write out. The gift card holder is from Cricut Design Space. It's one of the free ones. You can find them all over the websites. treasureboxdesigns.com has them. cuddlycutedesigns.com has them. Etsy.com has them. So just find one for your liking. This one is the one I preferred. That orange is going to be Apricot Jam by Encore. And my white is Snowy White by Encore. And I just used a Cricut pen for the writing. But thank you for watching. Any questions, let us know. The card goes together very simple and easy. Take care, guys.